My name is Tressa and I love spicy food. I love spicy dressings, I love spicy soups, I love spicy everything. And one of my favorite ways to eat salad is with this Korean inspired spicy salad dressing. And I'm gonna show you how to make it. And this dressing goes, as I said, on salads, but another way that I also really like to use it is on cold rice noodles. You mix it up so they're like spicy, sweet, and salty noodles. They're really delicious, perfect for lunch on a hot day. Now this dressing is made in a ratio, not with regular measurements. So I'm not gonna be saying 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon. I'm just gonna say 1 spoon, 2 spoons. So just whatever size spoon you have, you use that spoon in this ratio. And we're gonna start with 1 spoon of Korean red pepper paste, gochujang. Now this pepper paste is pretty sweet, mildly spicy. I mean, I really like spicy food, so it takes a lot to register as spicy to me. You might find it pretty spicy, so maybe start with half a spoon first and then taste it and see how you like it. The same goes for this sesame oil. I'm using the chili version, the spicy sesame oil. You can use regular, it would be very delicious too. And we're gonna do 1 spoon of that. Next, we're gonna be using some soy sauce for some saltiness. You can use low sodium if you want. This is just regular, 1 spoon. Next is some seasoned rice vinegar or mirin. This is gonna add a little bit of sweetness and a little of that vinegary tang that you kind of want in a salad dressing. It also is very delicious used as a meat marinade for barbecue. This would be great for chicken. And next I have some minced garlic and ginger, about 1 spoon each. You can omit either the garlic or the ginger if you don't like really, spicy, really kind of potent flavors, but I love it, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. Mixing it very well into a paste. Now I'm gonna taste it. Very spicy. I love that chili oil. And that's it, really. It goes on just about anything. When I used to work in a bakery all the time and I'd have to pack myself a lunch, I would make a salad, and to keep the salad greens from being all wilted and gross by the time lunchtime rolled around, I would make sure to drape the dressing on the tofu, and then everything would stay crispy and fresh, and I could just mix everything up and it would be delicious whenever lunchtime rolled around. So I'm going to go ahead and drape my dressing on top, and some green onions, and some sesame seeds, which make everything crunchy and delicious. And here you go. It's my lovely, spicy, Korean-inspired salad dressing that is gonna be really delicious and wonderful for lunch. I hope you enjoy.